It's a new 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This AMG GTS is a handcrafted work of art with the power, performance, and luxury that comes from legendary race-bred intuition. It's well equipped with the features you need: twin-turbo V8 engine, all-wheel steering, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cars.com declares fast, gorgeous, and more affordable than its predecessor, the new Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS may just be the best driving car the automaker has ever made. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.